Good morning, guys. This is Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. So yeah, this is going to be our weekly analysis because on weekend I was quite busy. So I missed that. I missed that Sunday or weekly analysis. So I will start with that. But we're not gonna take much time. I will start with gold straight to US30 and Nasdaq. But what's really happening this week? We can see that we had a lot of economic news coming. Today we have consumer confidence, FOMC meeting later on around 9. On Wednesday, we also have a lot from US, New Zealand. But the most important one is going to be core PCE on Wednesday, which is going to be tomorrow. This mostly is going to move the market. And this will help us to see if maybe inflation is going down or not. And this will make the dollar very stronger or a little bit weaker. If maybe it pushes up, we'll see a stronger dollar. If it goes down, we're going to see a weaker dollar. Then through to Thursday, not really much, not really that important. So yeah, now we can just go straight to our analysis and see what's really happening. We see that gold is reversing. Or before I show you that, guys, don't forget that you can still get our system for $149. $149. But if you are a member or if you are part of our signal group, you will pay only $110. You will just let me know if you want to be or if you want to get that system. Here it is. You can see on that gold, like I seriously missed this one because even yesterday I was quite busy. So you can see this one, actually it was a proper sell. So you can throw everything on this indicator. It will show you everything. It will show you everything. You just throw. Just put everything there. You just look at this. This is GBP CAD. Just look at this buy and look what happened after. And you just plug this. You just use it at your own time, whether you're working, whether you don't work or whatever. You don't really have to do much of the analysis. It just does this thing for you. But anyways, let's go straight to our analysis. If maybe you are interested, you will just let me know, or you will use the link in the description to talk to me. So here on gold, you can see that the market was going up, a very aggressive uptrend, which we actually did explain several times, right? Then after the market broke out here, you see, let me zoom so that we can see what's really happening. Let's zoom that. So we can see that the market broke out, which means this is actually what? This shows us that the market is no longer on that uptrend. And indeed, the market started to do what? The market started to go even lower. Around this area, the market created a very aggressive U-turn. I still remember we did smash another one from this area to this point. If you check that in our, I think on Friday I did talk about this one, comparing with the indicator. So we got a very nice buy. But you can see the line. This line has been there. Why? Because it's quite straightforward to say the market broke out, came back and retested here. This shows us that this is a level that the market respected before. And exactly around the same area, the market came back again there. So this shows us that this previous support is now our resistance, but this already confirms that we are on a downtrend. You can see that. So now the market might still reach this area. Then from here, we will see if maybe the market will continue going down or not. But at the moment, we can see that the market is actually on this nice downtrend structure. I like the fact that the market respected that level, which I already pointed out. So now we just have to get on the right time because the market can do its thing. But I think if you missed it around this level, it might be difficult for anyone to jump in here. But the best thing is to wait for the market to give you a certain structure before you jump in. Don't just jump in early. So yeah, at the moment, I think we are going to see a continuation of that sell. Yeah, that's what we see there. So on US30, whoa, US30 has been flying, guys. US30 has been flying for quite some time, but for us who follow trends, we are not really surprised. You can see that we've been going up for quite some time. But even though we've been going up, we have this level. Do you see that level? That level shows us that, you know what, the market is respecting that area as a resistance level, which means where we are, even though the market is on this aggressive bullish move, we might still see the market respecting that level or that zone. Do you see that? The market moved up to this point, but I think it might be a very easy way for the market to reverse. The market might reverse there. So let's go closer and see what we can get. So at the moment, we can see that, yeah, the market did, we had a previous resistance there, which the market actually tried to break out. But we can see that the market is actually struggling. We can see some consolidation around that level. So which means maybe the market is showing us that, you know what, I'm no longer having that momentum. It might still push the upside, but maybe once the market touches this area, we might see a move like this or a move like that. You see that? So obviously we might see something like that before we see a nice push to the upside. Obviously, whoever who is buying this levels might be quite lowest areas. If maybe we go in further to 2025, things looks good in the stock market, which means these areas might be the lowest, and maybe the market might continue to go even higher. So which means maybe the market can even break out of that level, because we can see that this structure was respected several times, or we can say it was tested several times. So just know that if the market tests a certain area several times, most likely the market might do what? The market might break out of that structure. You see. So let me show you an example on Bitcoin. I saw something on Bitcoin. It's not really the same structure, but I just want to show you how the market try to respect the same structure for several times. Then at the end of the day, it will end up breaking that. So this is Bitcoin, but this is on a daily time frame. So the market has been respecting this level for several times until we see a nice push. Just look at this type of a move there. You see, so that structure was actually very stronger, but just because the market has been testing that or respecting that, it will reach a point where the market will end up breaking. And once that happens, yes, it's going to be quite stronger. So I think this is the example that maybe might match with whatever that I was trying to explain on US30. So which means, yeah, I think the market might continue to go even higher. But yeah, the market has been pushing, guys. The market has been pushing. But anything is possible. We just have to wait for the market to do its thing. What was that? 4 hours. Okay. So we just have to wait for the market to do its thing. Maybe we will see a reversal. If it's not there, it means we might see a nice breakout. And mostly when it breaks, it will be aggressive, way too aggressive. Maybe on Thursday, because we have PCE, I think we're going to have something. I don't know if maybe there is Thanksgiving in the US. I don't know if the market will be moving that much, but I think it's going to be a very short week. You see, so now let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq 100. What's happening? Not really similar to US30, but we can see that, yeah, it seems to be struggling to go a little bit higher, but I think it's going to follow what we saw on US30. The market has been going up for quite some time. We are still on that nice uptrend. If you check this nicely, the market has been moving like that. Do you see that? So I'm expecting to see a continuation of that push. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So let's push, let's push, let's push. So if we go closer, we will see that the market has been trying to reverse here and there. But what I like here is the market gave us a clue. This area was a proper resistance, now our support. So I think from this area, it will be easier for the market to push the upside. Do you see that? But on the bottom side, the market has been moving slower, going higher. So I think as we are on this uptrend, I'm expecting to see a continuation of this nice bullish move. So this bullish move can be quite straightforward, I guess, you see. So yeah, for now, I think this is enough. For those who want this system, just know that if you are already a member, you will pay only 110. If you are not, 149, that is the actual price. And these are Black Friday prices. So if you are interested, you will let me know, or you can scan that QR code, then we can talk on WhatsApp. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.